Hello YouTube, hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I'm going to be doing a product review on these awesome Bevinsee V45 headlights. I'll be doing a product overview, then I'll be installing these on my 2006 GMC Envoy XL. The color temperature is 6000 kelvins. They claim to be 300% brighter than regular halogen lights, 200% broader coverage, and 250% further illumination. The power output is 120 watts, and they have a 100,000 hour lifespan. Really impressive specs on paper. So here's the manual. It shows some troubleshooting, how to do the installation, and it also mentions how some light housings may need some slight modifications to completely and properly install these lights. So here we have some pictures on installation methods. Everything is very clear and easy to read. So now let's check out the bulbs themselves. Right off the bat, the light feels very nice in my hands. The quality is very high. The light has a built-in fan in the back for cooling, which is awesome. This does have a power converter, so you may need to do some slight modifications to your headlight housing in order to tuck that in. But other than that, this is waterproof, so even if you can't do any modifications to tuck the power converter in, you can still leave it outside. With that being said, let's go install these lights and check it out, see how bright they are and how they perform. Here's my headlight. So I'll be changing the low beams out. If you have halogen lights that you are removing, make sure to wear gloves or avoid touching the glass part of the bulb. Installing the new Bevinsee lights are very easy. You just insert and twist to the right to lock, and if you want to remove it, you just twist left. Make sure to connect positive to positive and negative to negative. And to make things easier, the Bevinsee light has a plus and minus sign so you won't mess up the polarity. So just keep an eye out for that. So as you can see here, the ballast of the light is sticking out. This shouldn't be a problem. It is waterproof, and really water doesn't really get in here. And I've had lights like these before without any issues. Here are the low beams in action. We will definitely try them out at night, but before that, I'd like to make some comments about what I see so far. I really like this 6000K light color. I think it's a lot more natural looking compared to the 5000K lights. I also like to mention that these lights are very quiet. You don't really hear the fans, which is actually quite nice compared to other fan or light brands out there. Now let's see how these perform at nighttime. My first impressions are just wow. These things are quite bright and the color is just amazing. I can't stress out enough how much I love the 6000K compared to 5000K. Let's hop in the Envoy and go for a quick spin and see how she does. So far I'm noticing that these lights have a very sharp focus and they don't really scatter everywhere. They are also glare free, so it ensures no dazzling to oncoming drivers, providing a very safe and comfortable driving experience for both parties. I'm just going to pull over here and hop out to see the distance of the lights. As you can see, it really goes the distance. My overall experience with these lights are very positive. The lights are well built and they're very fairly priced. Best of all, you get 3-year warranty on these lights. If you want to check out these lights, there will be a link in the description below, so make sure to check them out, and honestly, I would recommend this buy for sure. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all next time.